Bring on the bikes. Cars have changed our lives in many ways. When cars were sparse, it was not easy to travel long distances. Now you can hop in your car and go almost anywhere you want to, quickly and easily. Many bad things come with cars, however. For one thing, cars require gas, and there is only a limited amount of gas in the world. As we use more of our gas supply, it becomes more expensive to drive. Also, gas releases harmful chemicals into the air when it burns. Still, another problem is that cars are dangerous. Car accidents are the top cause of death for people between the age of 6 and 27. Cars are even dangerous for people who aren't in them. In 2001, 90,000 pedestrians were injured in cars by the United States, and 5,800 pedestrians were killed. If we want to be safe and save the planet, we need an alternate way to travel. Cars might make it easy to travel long distances, but most people don't travel long distances every day. For many people, the answer is a type of transportation that has been around since long before cars: bikes. Cities around the world recognize that bikes are a great way to travel. Amsterdam, the Netherlands, is called the bike capital of the world. In Amsterdam, bicycles make up 40% of all travel. Most roads have bike lanes. In fact, it is easier to get to most places by bike than it is by car. Some American cities are starting to follow Amsterdam's lead. In Portland, Oregon, you can get anywhere in the city on a bike. There are 170 miles of bike lanes. It is easy to navigate the entire city on a bike without going out of your way. Drivers in Portland are also used to bikers. They have become friendly about sharing the roads with bicycles. Many Americans don't feel safe riding bikes on busy streets. However, if the streets were more bike-friendly, people might be more willing to give up their cars. As Americans become more aware of the dangers and costs of driving, more and more people are turning to this earth-friendly, healthy way to travel. All right, on the next page, we have 5 questions to answer. Number 1, what are 2 bad things about gas? Number 2, how many pedestrians were killed by cars in 2001? Number 3, where is the bike capital of the world? Number 4, why is Portland, Oregon a good city for biking? And number 5, what is one reason why many Americans don't ride bikes?